Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making aloe vera gel for dandruff treatment. Okay, I have aloe vera plants here. So first of all, I'll cut off this head just like this, and I will set this aside. I'll cut it like this. So I'll not be needing this. Okay, so I'll just take this out. After cutting my aloe vera, I went further to cut it into two, just like this. See, so I'm going to put it like that into my water here. See how it is? So I'll just put it like this into the water, and I'll leave it like that for a few minutes. Okay guys, I'll leave it like this for a few minutes and I'll come back for it. So our next ingredient is lemon. So I'll just take, this is one whole lemon. I'm going to not going to cut it into two. I'm going to cut like quarter of it. Okay, like quarter. So this is it, and we set it aside. This is like few minutes. Pour it into here like this to take out the water. I'll just be scraping my aloe vera like this to scoop out the gel from it, just like this. Because I don't want to blend it, this is what I will be doing basically for all the aloe vera, to get out the juice, just like this. Gently. Here is very slimy. Feels so slimy. Like I'm gently scraping it, okay? I'm not scooping it out, I'm gently scraping the aloe vera leaves just to take out just the juice, like what you can see me doing here. To take out my juice. Like this, scraping it. I'm not scooping it, but I'm scraping it out, okay? Scraping out the juice, just like this. This way I'll not get to do too much work to get out the lumps. Okay, I will not have too much lumps inside my aloe vera gel. Okay, like this. There is no lump inside. Okay, no lump inside of it. No lump, no lump, no lump. So it's time to squeeze in my lemon juice. So I'm done squeezing in my lemon juice. This is how it is looking like. I'm trying to use my hands to mix it up just like this. Now let's apply it to my hair. This is the treatment. So I'll just cut this open and I'll apply it on my hair.